Alright, so today we get to look at the Blue Yeti, obviously by the company Blue. It's just a USB mic for professionals. You have 4 different modes. You got stereo, cardioid, omnidirectional, and bidirectional. You guys can read what those say. It says on whatever websites you look at. And then you got mic gain control. This stuff we'll look at here in just a few moments. And then some more stuff on the back. Nothing really else on the bottom. Take off this wrap. And this thing is very heavy for what it is, in my opinion. We're greeted with a USB cable. So it's a mini USB to type A USB.
The cable is definitely 6 foot long in length.
We've got some directions, and then we get into the mic, it looks like. Some heavy duty cardboard or styrofoam holding this off. It's like stuck in there for sure. Oh dang. I was not expecting it to be of this size. Man, they really did pack that in there, I tell you. There we go. Magic. And there it is. Let's put it out of shot for you guys, but yeah, you just got these knobs here, tighten it up. So you got your headphone. It's a real, it doesn't turn very smoothly, I'll tell you that. It's almost like it's grinding, but you don't hardly, you hear it a little bit. You got a mute. Oh, it's just a regular button. Then if you turn it around, here we've got our gain, and then you have your different patterns that I'm guessing enables the different capsules, and that's pretty hard to turn as well, I do have to say. Look down here, we have
That thread is 5/8 inch.
your headphone out, your USB in, and this is supposed to be plug and play. You don't have to download any drivers.
In my testing, it was plug and play for both of my Windows 10 systems.
Pretty heavy base. It's got the foam bottom so it doesn't tear up whatever surface you're putting it on. But there it is. The Blue Yeti microphone, which has the microphone, desk stand, and its cable, USB cable. So again, this is the unboxing of the Blue Yeti, and next we're going to look at the stand that I bought. See you guys there.
All tracks that you heard that didn't sound like my phone audio came from the Blue Yeti setup in Audacity.